What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to back up your photos on Google account in here so you can actually bypass the problem of having your storage in here always full or having those pop-ups from iCloud saying that hey, you need to buy more space or anything like that. And we all know that it's a fact that iCloud storage is pretty much expensive and you do have just a few gigabytes of storage. So I'm gonna show you how to back it up on Google Photos, on Google Drive, on Dropbox as well. And at the end, I'll also show you how you can use multiple accounts to store a lot of photos as backup on your Google account. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues. So if you're into tech content or if you're into tech hacks, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So jumping straight into the very first step in here, we're going to, of course, download Google Photos, which is the very first thing to be done, right? Let's hop into App Store real quick. Let's search for Photos. There we go. Let me quickly search for it. And we do have in here Google Photos real quick. Let's simply tap in here to download Google Photos and install it straight into our iPhone device. This will take you a couple seconds and it's going to be downloaded real quick. Next up, we'll simply tap on Open to open Google Photos, and the very first thing you need to do in here is to log in with your Google account. So in my case, I do have several accounts in here, multiple accounts. So I'm going to select in here, for example, in my case, my second email address in here, and then I'm going to tap on Get Started if it's the very first time logging in with your Google Photos account on your iPhone device. Now you want to tap on Allow Full Access so the process is much smoother. Okay, I'm going to allow full access real quick, and then I'm going to tap on Next in here, and you do not really need to pay because the space that we are offered is approximately 15 gigabytes of free space, so you can have multiple accounts while iCloud only offers you 5 gigabytes of space. Okay, so once you're here, what you're gonna do is simply tap in here, and then next up, as you can see, it's already backing up a lot of my photos automatically. Okay, so you want to hop into a Google Photos settings real quick and then back up, and then you just want to make sure that this option is toggled on, which says backup. Mine was already set to on, but just double check in your case if it's on. If it's off, it won't back up anything, but if it's off, you just want to turn it on, and this will be taking place in no time. This is how easy you can actually back up photos in here in Google Photos and take advantage of your storage in here. Now, in order to access the photos, all you want to do is simply open up your Google Photos app in here, and you'll be able to double check all those photos. So this is one way of backing up photos in here to your Google Photos app. Now, next up, we do have a second way of doing it, which is by using Google Drive as well. Okay, so what we're going to do real quick in here is simply hop into the App Store. We need to download Drive real quick. Okay, there we go, Drive. Let's search for it. It's loading, and then we'll simply tap here to download Google Drive. So let me quickly download it in just a few seconds. Just be patient for a couple seconds. Download will be completed in no time. There we go, it's now installing, and boom, it's already installed and it's ready to rock. Let's tap on Open real quick, and once you're here, of course, we need to follow the same process. We're gonna log in here or simply sign in with our Gmail account. So in my case, I've got several accounts, as I just said. I'm going to select one of those only. So I'm going to deselect this one, deselect this one, deselect this one, and deselect this one as well. I'm going to proceed with this one. I'm going to tap on Done, and then sign in again, and you'll be brought in here to this screen right here. Now, next up, whenever you want to back up photos in here to Google Drive, well, it's not very convenient as Google Photos, which does the job automatically, but it's also helpful so you can store your files in here. As you can see, we do have a category with files in here from where you can add files to Google Drive. So you can tap on plus, for example, you can tap on upload a file, and then you can select where you want to locate that file, for example, photos and videos or anything like that. Allow full access, and then you want to select those specific photos that you wish to upload to Google Drive. Now, we do have a different way of doing this, which is much faster, so you can back up your entire photos library all the way uploaded to Google Drive. How does it work? We need to hop into Photos real quick in here. Next up, we'll tap here on Select. Now, once we have tapped on Select, we want to manually simply use our phone to select, okay, by hovering, but by not releasing the finger. So once you select the few of them while keeping your finger right there. You want to tap once with your left finger here on this little dynamic island. Okay, this will bring us to the top and we'll select all pictures that we have here on our iPhone. And as you can see here down, we do have 2,317 photos in here which have been selected. Now the next thing we're gonna do is simply tap on share real quick in here, and then we simply want to select Google Drive as the destination source, and this will upload all the photos all the way to Google Drive real quick, right? So you just want to search for Google Drive real quick, which is right here, and the upload process will start. Now please note that this will take some time, will be a slow process because you need to be patient. It's a lot of files, and double check your internet connection as well. I would recommend you guys to perform this under Wi-Fi and not under mobile data. Okay, so once this is done, you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you the last method in here, which is using Dropbox to upload all your files. You can take advantage of all these platforms. For example, if you do have a lot of pictures, you can upload 30% of it on Google Photos, 30% of it on Dropbox, and vice versa. So let's quickly hop into App Store real quick in here. Let's search for Dropbox. Let me quickly type in here Dropbox. There we go. We want to download this app in here that allows us to store files, photos, videos, and a lot of stuff in the cloud, and it's kind of secure and safe. These are the most secure and robust apps that I would recommend you guys to use in case you want to back up a lot of files. Okay, now let's quickly tap on open real quick in here. Next up, we'll be asked to continue with an email account. This is the main email account that I'm using to log into Dropbox. So next up, I'm going to simply select my email, tap on get started, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to tap on OK. Okay, there's an arrow. Let me tap on continue with Google, continue here again, and in a few seconds I'll be able to log in. Let me quickly tap in here and then simply tap on continue, and you'll be good to go. You'll be logged in into Dropbox in no time. Tap on agree and sign up, and you'll be good to go with Dropbox working in here on your iPhone device. There we go, we're logged in. Now we do have in here a few questions. For example, personal will be my response. I'll tap on X and skip all this as I don't want to use the paid version here on my device. Allow, and then simply ask app not to tracks, and now you can simply tap on plus and upload photos and select as many photos as you wish to select from your photos library. Store them to Dropbox and your files will be stored securely. Now this is how easy you can actually upload files to Dropbox, to Google Drive, to Google Photos, and back up a lot of space, so you do not need to worry with the regular iCloud limited space. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can interact further. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.